Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be partnering with Sephora to tell you about their Play subscription box cyber sale going on right now, where you can buy over 35 different Sephora Play boxes for $10 each without signing up for a subscription. Each box comes with 6 prestige beauty samples that has a value of up to $65 and they are $10 each. I love that you can buy these a la carte now because you can mix and match. If there's a product that you love, you can get multiple boxes to have them on hand for travel, gifts, and I love that you can try stuff before buying. As I've said, my skin is quite finicky. There's a lot of skincare in these boxes, over 35 different boxes to choose from. I'm gonna go through a couple and tell you guys the options or the ones that I would recommend. And then I also have a box here to show you kind of what you can expect to get in one of these Sephora Play boxes. And I'm gonna kind of demo the products, tell you my thoughts as we go. As I mentioned, there's over 35 different Play boxes to choose from. They have 6 high-end samples in them, and I kind of went through. There's some amazing products. There's the Milk Kush Mascara, which is amazing. The Hourglass Mascara, Briogeo Hair Care, the Don't Despair Repair Mask, Conditioning Mask. I love that. There is the Gimme Brow from Benefit, which is amazing. If you haven't tried it, it's a tinted brow gel that really kind of fluffs up your brows, which we all know is the trend right now. Another product I swear by is the Verb Ghost Oil, so I'm so happy to see that in there, as well as the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Phenomenal mask. You hear everybody talking about it. I slather it on my lips every night before bed, so I highly recommend that. I also see one of my favorites, the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Amazing foundation for long wear if you're getting married, anything like that. Just looking over the boxes, I love that you can choose which one works for you. If you have a favorite product and maybe you don't use a lot of product or you just want to try it out, you can grab a couple boxes, stock up. Now make sure that you check this out. It's going on now and it's limited availability. So once they sell out, they're gone. Last year, some of them sold out within a day. So keep your eye on it. I will link it down below. And let's get into what I got. I just want to show you kind of like a sample box. I'm wearing some of the products right now and tell you kind of what you can expect in these boxes. So this is how your Sephora Play box will show up on your doorstep. Cute little packaging, has that iconic Sephora striping on it. When you open it up, there will be a little baggie sealed with all of your products inside. Obviously, I've already opened mine because I have some of them on my face, but I'm going to show you what I got. The first product in my box was something that I've never tried, but I'm glad I have now. This is the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. My friend Manny raves about this, like he's gone crazy over this. This is a soap-free cleanser that's good for redness and dryness. I'm not sure why I never tried it because I do have redness. While I was using this, I noticed it had no scent to it, which is a huge plus if you're sensitive. It was really creamy and foamed up, but it didn't leave a film. If you're dry and sensitive, this would be a great product to try. So I'm gonna throw this in my shower and keep using it, but I'm excited to have this in my collection. The next product in the box is from Wander Beauty, and I've tried these before. I really like them. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So these are really great to hydrate and kind of get rid of dark circles, depuff, all of those things. You can apply these while you're doing your makeup, so you could apply them and do your eyebrows and eyeshadow and all of that. I like these because they're not super slimy. They have just enough of like a liquid serum to apply and they stick to your face, which is a huge thing. I've had some in the past that kind of slid all around or were really uncomfortable and you couldn't get them kind of positioned. These just went right on and stayed on while I had them on my face and I didn't have to worry about them sliding. And then when you take them off, there's just enough of a moisturization or serum to really kind of pat or rub into your under eye to really give you that hydration. So I do like these because they're functional. They kind of hydrated and depuffed, but they weren't slipping all over my face or difficult to use. Another product I've never tried, this brand. This is Caudalie Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. So I've heard of this brand, of course. It's a well-known skincare brand. And this has salicylic acid in it. It's supposed to keep your oils at bay and also help with texture and blemishes. It's a gel-like consistency. It has a light kind of botanical scent to it. And it really did feel like it was hydrating. It didn't feel drying at all, but I also am quite matte, meaning that I'm not getting oily. My makeup's not breaking up, so it does play well under makeup. I've had my makeup on for a few hours now, so I want to keep using this and see if it helps keep breakouts at bay on my chin and also helps the texture around my pores. Also in the box is an eye serum from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Ferulic and Retinol Triple Correction Eye Serum. So I've tried eye creams that kind of hydrate and just give you a little bit of that soothing feeling under your eye, but this actually has retinol in it. This is more for fine lines and wrinkles, and as I am 31, I feel like I I need to start really paying attention to the crow's feet and wrinkles around my eyes. So this is something you can use morning and night, and it's really gonna help with darkness, dark circles, wrinkles, fine lines, loss of elasticity, which all of those are coming my way. And I'm like, no, let's stop that train. So this does have kind of like a gel formula to it, but it sinks right in. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky, and it played well again under makeup. So on my lips, I'm wearing this lipstick from the box. This is BabsBeauty, and this is the Matte Cream Lip Crayon. This is the shade Glace, which is a dusty mauve. So this is supposed to be a water resistant, long wearing, matte lip crayon, but it's hydrating, and I can attest to that. I've had it on for quite a while. You can see in the demo how creamy this is. This is a pretty big size too. I feel like you could throw this in your bag. This would last you for a while. Very creamy, very, very pigmented, comfortable on the lips, and even though it is matte, it definitely has some hydration there, so I think that I'm gonna fall in love with this formula. And the last item in this box is a sample of Prada Candy perfume. This smells really good. It's a warm and spicy, I would say a cozy kind of winter scent. It has musk in it, but it also has caramel, which it just smells really cozy and kind of dries down to that sweet musky scent. So these are all the items that I got in my Sephora Play box, but again, they're all different, 35 different options, so I will link it down below if you want to check out all the different options you can get. You can mix and match for gifts, for samples. If there's some products you want to try and you're not sure, it's a great deal to get all of these samples for 10 bucks per box. I will link them down below. This is limited time, so make sure you grab whatever you're looking for the holidays. Thank you again to Sephora for sponsoring this video. I always love working with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.